Hey guys! Hopefully you've been learning a lot this week from all the second grade teachers on bar graphs and pictographs. Your teachers have been collecting data, making pictographs and bar graphs. You guys have been reading and interpreting those bar graphs. And I have a couple practice questions for you now. So I'm going to show you some bar graphs and ask you some questions. And take your time, see if you can get all these questions right to show what you know about bar graphs. Here we go. All right, question one. Let me move myself up here. Here is a bar graph. When you look at it, make sure you look at the title, our favorite season, the categories, fall, summer, spring, winter, and these, you notice the bar graphs are horizontal. They're going this way. And then the numbers. Here's your question. What season was selected the greatest number of times? Good. If you put spring, you are correct. You can see by the bars that the one that is the highest is spring with 10 students. Next question. How many people like fall or summer? So what I want you to do for this one is you're going to have to combine if they like fall or summer. All right, you got it right. If you said, well, let's do the math. Fall was 2. Or summer was 8. So how many kids said fall or summer? That would be 10. 10 students. All right. How many people responded to this survey? Ooh, do some math here. You're going to have to keep it paused for a little bit longer. All right. In all, we're going to add up every single category. We have 2 plus 8 plus 10 plus 6. So hopefully you said a total of 26. I know that 2 and 8 equals 10. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 6 more is 26. If you got that right, give yourself a kiss on the brain. All right, how many more people like spring than winter? That means you're going to have to compare. All right, let's see. You got it right. Spring than winter. So we have to compare. Spring we have 10. Winter we have 6. Ooh. If we have to compare, we do 10 minus 6 to find the difference. And the difference is 4. Good job. You could also look at the bars and say, all right, that's the same. All of this is the same. And what's more are these 4 more. All right, let's try one more. All right, new bar graph, vertical bar graph. Title, Animals Seen on the Walk. And there are, and I'm going to have to move it. Well, you can't see very well. I'm just going to exit out here, guys. I'll go back to make it big. Squirrel, snake, dog, and rabbit. Those are your different options. Let me go back to make it bigger. So the question is, which 2 animals were seen the same amount of time? Remember, this is, I know you can't read it, but this is squirrel, snake, dog, and rabbit. So which 2 animals were seen the same amount of time? If you look at the bar graphs, the graphs are the same. Squirrels and rabbits. Squirrels and rabbits. All right, let's try another one. Which animal was seen 12 times? It is dog. If I look up here, dog is 12 times. Ooh, we have a pictograph. So, first question, what could be a good title for this pictograph? So looking at the categories, what do you think would be a good title? A good title might be, we know they're talking about animals, so maybe favorite animals, something like that. It wouldn't make sense that our graph is about food or something because we can see it's elephant, giraffe, lion, monkey. Here the title, favorite zoo animal. Next question, how many people like lions the most? All right, if you click 3, I tricked you. Don't let me trick you. Next to lions, we have 3 elephants, but we have to look at the P. At the bottom, we know that each elephant is equal to 2 votes. We have to count these by 2. So 2, 4, 6. The answer is 6. Don't let me trick you. How many people like monkeys the most? Look closely. All right, let's see if you got this one. Remember, they're count by 2s for the McKee. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now look at this little guy. That's not a whole elephant. Poor elephant's cut in half. So if a whole elephant is worth 2, a half elephant must just be worth 1. So 10 plus 1 more is 11. That was a little bit harder because you had to think about what that half elephant meant. And which animal is the least popular? That's right, elephant. Only 4 people picked the elephant. And last question for today, how many less people like elephants than giraffes? So elephants right here than giraffes. So if I compare, those are the same. This is how many more. But remember, it's count by 2s. So if this is 4 people like giraffes, 2, 4, 6, 8 people like, 4 people like elephants, 8 people like giraffes. The difference is 4. 4 less people like elephants than giraffes. All right, I hope you guys did well. If you were confused about this and got some of the questions wrong, go back and maybe watch the Brain Pop again or watch some of those teacher lessons again.